Hello and welcome. Congratulations on your purchase for the ASG steamer. So today we're going to be doing a quick comprehensive guide that's going to help you out with your business and your career by using the ASG steamer. So we're going to do this in steps. First step is preparation with your steamer. The thing that you want to make sure that you do is use distilled water. If you use regular water, it's going to gum up your heating mechanism inside of the machine and it's going to ruin it. So use distilled water, and it keeps all the heavy metals out of your client's skin and their pores, and that's very important. So I'm going to lean him back and we're going to start. There we go. What I'm going to do today with our steamer is I'm actually going to take a Q-tip and I'm going to use some ASG oil. Just get a couple dips on it. And this is going to give him a really nice fragrance and aroma. Use the back of your hand so you can feel the steam so you're not burning your client. We don't want to do that to our people. Okay, so you want to start making sure that the beard is getting all of the steam. We're going to be using our beard wash. Get yourself a nice handful of it. I like to actually put it underneath the steam before I start with the wash. And then I just get it in. This is where we can really take care of our clients, really get in there and feel the texture of the beard, feel if they have any knots or anything in the beard. It's an important process. And we get to know their face shape a little bit more too. In step one with cleansing, we're going to be using the exfoliation brush. Now, a lot of your clients and mine complain about the itchy beard. A lot of that is due to trapped skin underneath the beard. So this helps release it, and it sloughs off all the dead skin. Set this aside, and I'll be right back with a hot towel. So this is going to aid in actually getting the beard wash out, and it's also very relaxing for your clients. One of the things that separates this product from most on the market is we have a UV light inside of the canister. The UV light, it kills all the bacteria and everything that we do not want getting into the pores of our client's skin. And I'm going to start drawing all of that beard wash out with the hot towel. Right. Now, on to step two, hydrating moisturizer on his beard. Again, I like to warm the product up before I put it on the skin because you want this to actually be a really enjoyable experience. If you start putting like cold product on people, they might jump a little bit. Now you can use a comb, but I like actually using the exfoliating brush to just kind of comb the beard out and get all that product worked throughout the beard. Beautiful. Let that steam set in. Be right back with a hot towel. Towel number 2. I like to use 5 per client whenever I'm doing a premier beard service, which is what we call this, because I'm going to be shaving him today also. Okay, so now I'm going to be actually doing exactly what I did before with the towel, just drawing it out. I never really worry about getting all of the moisturizer out. Alright, step 3, applying product. You can do it however you want to. The way that I prefer to do it is I like to actually dry the beard before I start trimming. That way, anything that's hiding out underneath it, I can take care of it. So today I'm using some All-Star Primer and All-Star Beard Butter. And I love how this stuff emoliates together under the steam. So now I'm actually going to be shaving Colin. I'm going to be using some of the beard wash, just a little bit. You can use oil or any product that you really prefer to use. I like the beard wash because it gives me a really nice lather and a pretty good slide with my razor. Now before I shave him, look at that, beautiful. I like to actually do some lifting with his hair, with all of his beard hair. And then I'm gonna hit him with a hot towel again. Lovely. Back for another hot towel. At this time, you can turn the light element off of it. Saves you a little bit of water. I don't know. I'm gonna lift you up, buddy. Now, whenever we're gonna shave our client, we're gonna be manipulating their face a lot. Don't be shy of it. Just go with it. Your client will go with it also, because you know they're in our hands. I do side per side. And just move the steamer around. I like having it blowing across their face. There you can see the steam now. So that just keeps that side nice and moist. All right. I'm going to move them around to the other side. And while you're above, always make sure your lines are correct. One more hot towel. I like to double up on the towels also. You may want to encourage that practice also because it really traps the heat into the towel for your client. Always plop these guys into your barbicide afterwards. Just get all that bacteria and stuff out. Now, and step 4 will be drying. We all find our own way in how we do this. Myself, I prefer Denman. And yes, I already did put some of the beard butter and the primer in, but I'm going to reapply because we really want to soften that beard off. So usually I do 1 or 2 applications of the beard butter in the salon. Now out on the show floor, like you all have seen, we do stuff a little faster, but it's really fun and it's really nice to be creative and actually pamper your clients, because that's what they're here for. So now, I'm going to shut off our steamer. Whew, that's warm. And we will blow dry. Oh yeah. All right, so now that he's up, I'm going to start fading the beard in. Now, see the profile, how I wedged in on him that way. So I'm going to clean all this up and then clean up the sides. Those are our steps. You want to get him cleaned up and ready for the world now. So whatever powder that you prefer using, this will get all those little hairs off of their neck. Same thing with aftershave, whichever aftershave you are working with, that's when you can apply it. I'm actually going to be using a balm. So now, your last step is just your finish. I like using a beard brush because it gets all the hair in the direction that I want it to go. And that's all you have to do, guys. You wanted a step-by-step, we got a step-by-step. So you follow these, just simple guideline, and feel free to explore. Feel free to have fun with it. The clients appreciate it. Your clients will too, I promise. Thank you very much for purchasing the ASG steamer. And thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day. Bye.